You guys, thank you for tuning in for my new video, and don't forget to subscribe below. But I'm gonna show you guys how to flat twist.
So first thing first, you're just gonna section off the hair, and then you're gonna take two pieces at the top, like you're gonna, like when you braid, you make three sections, but you're gonna make two sections, and you're gonna twist those two together, and then with your left hand, you're gonna grab hair to pull down. So every time you twist it, and that other piece comes to the bottom, you grab hair. Just continue to grab it. Grab it. Okay, so I was just showing you guys how we would do it in a small section. But we're going to do two big flat twists, one on each side. So we're just going to make a part right down the middle. Then we're going to do the flat twist going back on both sides. And it's a real simple, easy look. Takes about 10 minutes to do at the most.